2019 in up Chevy Blazer cabin air filter replacement. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box compartment. To open the glove box, you need to hit that button here. Voila. And pop that dampener off. Right? And you squeeze both sides. Right? Both sides. So you can drop the glove box. Alright? Here it is. It's off. Here is the cabin air filter. It's located inside the box. So you need a T20 Torx bait, which I have right here. The T20. Let's take it off. Here's the bolt, T20 bait. And push that tab that way. It should come out. And it's off. Holy cow. I think it's dirty. So let's take it off carefully so we don't have any dirt go fall inside the airbox. Here it is, out. Here is the new air filter part number. Pay attention to the arrow and slide it in. Not like that. And you push this in, and you put the bolt in. Alright, you put it in, and let's put the glove box back in place. That's it. You're done, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.